Hello there guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Thibaut and today we're going to put racing seats into my race car.
I need to stop. I've been doing too much, I've been running too fast, I've been testing my luck. I've been living cloud nine, I've been at it all night, I've been feeling so loved. I've been waking up lit, I've been making up shit, I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day, so what? I'm living out my dreams like every night. I love my life.
So in this episode we're going to put race seats into my car with the brackets, the sliders, the brackets and of course the seats. They are Mirko GT seats. I never heard of the brand before, but someone I was in touch with to buy seats, they hit me up with them and took a quick look on the website, saw what I liked, and so here we have two brand new seats. Just black and velour, I think it's no, it's not velour, just fabric, I don't know, with they're fiberglass bases. And they're nice and black, so yeah, that's going to be the theme in this car, white and black interior. So yeah, I'm really excited. I had one racing seat before, or bucket seat before, but it was like a cheap replica. Looking really nice, with the screws, with the side mounts. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so it's coming together. So basically what I did is I went to sit in the seat with it standing flat on the ground and then see if it had to angle back. It did, so I kept in mind how much, it was about this much that the front needed to come up. Then I chose holes that, where it fit, and you see it's angled back a bit. I test fit it again like this and I think the seating position will be good, the reclining part at least. So yeah, this temporary still needs to tighten them down completely, but that's for now. Now I'm going to mount them to the rails. I have drilled out these holes just the slightest bit, so that I bought this hardware. They are, let me see, M8 bolts, and I want to stick them through from underneath. Here it's possible, so that way it doesn't interfere with the slider. But here I can't get it in because just the hole is just a little bit too tight and you can see it hits here. So I'm going to drill this out to 8.5 and then it should be able to come through. And then just two nuts on top with spacers, because these are quite big holes. Not spacers, I mean rondels, round rings, whatever. And these here, the sliders are slid all the way forward. So I was thinking just to center my seat the most as possible. That way that I can easily adjust it a little bit to the front, a little bit to the back. Because of this handle, you see the space here, so the handle is gonna sit here. So I don't get to choose where I'm going to put it on the rails. So I hope I can slide it far enough back to fit, but I think it should, because the OEM sliders on E28, they have quite a lot of adjustment. So I don't know if you maybe have seen it before, but in E28 with the stock seats, you can actually slide them that far back that you can, if you open the back window, you can hang out the back window while you're driving. It's quite hilarious. But yeah, so it's not rocket science, but it's fun. So let's continue. So I think the seat is going to be too high. So I can still do it 1 or 2 clicks to call it like that lower on the mount itself. But if it's still too high, then I will ditch the rails. This is slid all the way back. It's also a little bit off center, so the seat should go a little bit more inward. I think I have like half a centimeter, maybe a centimeter more space that I can go to the right, so I'm gonna do that. But I'm actually, yeah, maybe a little bit lower. Yeah, I'm gonna lower it one height, so it's about a centimeter, I guess. But it already feels so good. Okay, guys, it took a few tries, but it's in now how I want it. Of course, I might have to adjust it when I've actually driven it on track and such, because it's always different than just standing still. But yeah, took some fiddling, but in the end, actually, it's really easy. So it fits really good, looks really cool in there. So now it's time to do the second one. So the easiest way I think to do it is to lay the seat on its side, put the mounting plates on, one by one of course. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same holes as on the other chair, of course, on the seat, whatever. So first put these, then tighten these all the way down because they don't have to move anymore. And then put the seat with the mounts on the rails. These are the passenger rails. Mount them there, completely tight, and then just mount the whole thing into the car. With the bolts that go into the chassis are easy to reach. A little update on the seats. Well, they're in. So yeah, I'm happy. Really starting to look like a race car now. They sit really nicely. They're like the perfect mix between being very firm and still being comfortable. So I'm really happy. I'm really stoked. So I can't wait to try them out on track. Now I need the adapter for the steering wheel. It still hasn't come in. The guy has been saying he's working on it. It's been 2 months since I ordered it. And the only thing he has done is sent me 2 wrong ones. So I can mount my hold-fast steering wheel. Well, the M-Tech, not bad either. But I don't want to ruin this racing. This one, yeah, it's for the collection. Don't really have one, but it will start the collection. Yeah, the passenger seat. I tried to put them, yeah, same height, same everything. As you can see, they're pretty high. I think but I should still have enough space for a helmet with this height. I don't really want to sit any lower, but this is basically my viewpoint. So yeah, I like to see I like to see the road in front of me. So yeah. Part of the reason I chose to keep the original rails is because they also have, at least my seat has, the driver's seat, this handle, and you can angle the seat like this, but also raise it. So that's why I put the seat as low as possible on the mounts, and I can still raise it here if needed to. In the video where I took out the interior of the car, I asked you guys to comment down below how much weight we will have saved. I know it's been a while, but I finally got around to installing the seats and I weighed them. And yeah, I actually know how much we lost, and it's actually around how much I hoped it was gonna be. So everything we took out of the car and we weighed, it was 95.5 kilos, which to me it's actually quite a lot. And I weighed the rails, the seats and the mounting plates, and they altogether were about 24 kilos. So if we subtract that, we have like 71 kilos of weight that we have saved, which is pretty good because that's basically my weight. So we basically subtracted me from the car. And a guy I met, he told me it's roughly, don't take it exactly, but every 10 kilos you get out of the car is about 1 horsepower. So that would say that we have gained 7 horsepower, which with this engine would put the total horsepower at exactly 200, which is a real nice number. So yeah, it should really drive well. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Breng het.